Tired of staring blankly at your screen, waiting for inspiration to strike? Let's unlock the magic of AI-powered coding by integrating GitHub Copilot into Vscode first. Make sure you have Vscode installed. If not, head over to Visual Studio to download it. Next, open Vscode and navigate to the Extensions Marketplace by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot and press Enter. Locate the official GitHub Copilot extension. You will recognize it by its blue icon. Click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, you may be prompted to sign into your GitHub account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Copilot. Now, open a code file or create a new one. As you start typing, GitHub Copilot will automatically suggest code completions in gray text. Press the Tab key to accept a suggestion. You can also use Copilot to generate entire code snippets. Simply write a comment describing what you want to achieve, and Copilot will try to generate the code for you. Experiment with different prompts and suggestions to see how Copilot can accelerate your development workflow. Copilot is continually learning, so the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your coding style. Unleash your coding superpowers with GitHub Copilot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.